G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal to get you started on the art of cutting it. This piece has been made up into a doublet, so it's a bit different. Rules in millimetres, the material's wetted. I've just thrown a few pieces together here that were odd bods. Interesting sort of pattern. This is lower grade material. May clean up a little bit more through here. Little long stone, maybe cut that in half. This is just a bit of nothing material. This piece was in the bottom of the bucket, and it's been glued on the boulder, and don't know what it's worth, but anyway, I'll just basically throw it in. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.